To begin, let's navigate to Google and search for Visual Studio Code Vscode. Once we find the first link, we should click on it. In the center of the page, we will select the option for the .deb file, which will initiate the download of Vscode. This process may take a few minutes. Before proceeding with the installation, it is essential to enable Linux Beta in the settings and allocate approximately 30 GB of storage. After the setup is complete and the download of Vscode is finished, we can access the Files folder located at the bottom of the screen. By clicking on it, we will locate the downloaded file. A double-click on this file will prompt a window requesting permission to install. We should click on Install and then confirm by pressing OK in the subsequent window. The installation will commence. Once it is complete, we can access the menu from the shelf, where we will find Vscode listed alongside Vim. Opening Vscode will guide us through the initial setup process, which can be found in the bottom left corner. To enhance our experience, we can navigate to the Extensions section on the left, search for Copilot, and install both Copilot extensions. After installation, we will be ready to utilize the features they offer.